Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a crossbone plant. So a crossbone plant is a new trick they've added in the Season 2 update of Skate 4, where they've introduced a heap of new hand plant variations, this being one of them. Now, first things first, do a crossbone plant. It's quite simple. You just need to know how to do a regular hand plant by using RB. Now, this is a backside trick, meaning that playing goofy, that is, I need to approach the quarter pipe at an angle like this, so it's on my backside. Now, after you know how to do the hand plant using RB, you just need to tweak your board to the left using your right stick, like this, whilst you're actually at the top of the quarter pipe. So to put this all together, I'll show you how it looks. Go to the quarter pipe like this, RB, and pull it to the left, and there is a crossbone plant. Super unique trick, a really cool way to switch up your trick lines and add some variation. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to let me know in the comments what you'd like to know for the next Skate 4 tricks, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See ya.